2015 Forest River Cedar Creek Hathaway 34RL for sale in Belvidere, Illinois 61008. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2015 Forest River Cedar Creek Hathaway 34RL. This luxury fifth wheel is 37 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slides, one 16-foot A&D awning, one 12-foot A&D awning, both with metal weather shields, as well as automatic 6-point level-up hydraulic leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its light clean condition. This 2015 Forest River Cedar Creek Hathaway 34RL fifth wheel RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area with 3-burner stove, microwave, solid surface countertops dinette with chair seating, 13 cubic foot side-by-side, gas/electric refrigerator with raised wood fronts, new 14-inch pressure/relief double sink, day/night roller shades, larger fireplace, upgraded 50-inch television and living room home theater system with surround sound, luxe lazy boy furniture package, 2 rockers/recliner chairs, queen sofa, sleeper, DVD/CD/stereo, stand-up shower, bathroom sink, toilet, washer/dryer, prep, master queen size bed with cooling mattress, 32-inch television in master bedroom, master closet, basement storage, pearl side walls with Arizona front and back caps, 15,000 BTUs whisper quiet air conditioner, 13,500 BTUs whisper quiet second air conditioner, wireless rear camera system, environmental paint protection package, pulled less than 500 miles, total transferable goods, Sam's warranty expires February 28, 2022, and so much more. This 2015 Forest River Cedar Creek Hathaway 34RL is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible Forest River fifth wheel can be yours.